What's up, Amazon KDP self-publishers? Today I got an amazing niche for you. I'm also going to show you how to make it using Monica royalty. You don't want to miss a bit of this. Check this out. First, we're going to go right into the niche reveal. And if you know anything about me, you know I love the crossword niche, okay? Some of my biggest books are in the crossword market. And here's another one, rock crossword puzzle. If I backpedal here, you see all of these different rock related, rock and roll type of crossword queries that people are actually searching for. Okay. So this is a hot market. And let me give you some more reasons why. Only 200, only 200 results, around 200 results. Let me pull back a bit and let's scroll down here. This, we have a bestseller here. This, I checked, this one has about 118 pages. So I'm going to create a book around 60 pages to meet, the 120 mark. That 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 constitutes not only the problems, but also the solutions. Okay. So we also have, these are sponsored, right? So our first one is also a sponsored one, right? So our first um organic ranking is also the one at the top that's sponsored. Okay, this person is putting money, even though they got the first ranking, they're still putting money down to make sure they're the first book seen. Okay, and it makes sense. Look at that, this thing is selling daily. It has over almost 400 reviews right there. We scroll down, same thing was the second book and the third book, all selling. Look at this, all of these books are selling. Okay, 33, okay, 69, 11, Hard Rock, 50 reviews. Okay, so these, again, a tiny little niche, but it's blowing up. Okay, so when you make a crossword book, yeah, you can make a crossword book for seniors, but I'd really highly recommend the niche down historical, hobby, leisure type of crossword books like this one, rock and roll, right? So, well, how do I create this? Well, I jump into Bose Pause. You can create a free account right now and collect our free tools right here. Okay, but that's besides the point. I'm gonna scroll down the Monica, and I'm gonna go to crossword generator. I go to crossword generator right here. Okay, and then what you want to do is go to bulk. Okay, I like to keep it at 8.5 by 11. Really important. Okay, because you want to create a book in bulk, right? You want to scroll down here, right here. You're going to choose your text file. You're going to add it up, upload it, and this software does the rest. Now, where do you get your text file with all your answers and hints? Well, if you are an AI member, then you can get that. But let's say you're not an AI member, I'm still going to make it super easy for you. Check this out. You go to ChatGPT, okay, and you give it this prompt. I'm going to have this prompt written down below. I want to create a rock and roll music crossword puzzle. Now you can switch rock and roll music to something else. You can say, I want to create an Abe Lincoln Civil War crossword book. Okay. Then you have hashtag word is a title, answer pipe short hint. That's the schema, right? I want one title per page and 10 answer short hints per page. Don't numerate. Please separate with titles. I want 60 pages. No duplicates. Okay, I'm going to have this down below for you just in case you missed it. Okay, you scroll down, and I'm just using free chat here, and it gives me the answers right here. Okay, and if it stops for some reason, and these are all good, you can check yourself. You can go to your ChatGPT free account and check yourself. And if it stopped for some reason, remember I want 60 pages. You just you just write in continue, right? Continue. Okay. Once you write in continue, it's gonna continue spitting out those titles, those answers, and those hints. Okay. Once we have that, we're gonna copy all of this. Everything that it spits out, we're gonna copy it, and we're gonna add it to a notepad file. Okay. Notepad. Everyone has notepad. Okay. Once you got your text file, you're gonna go to choose file. Remember, this is a text file with all of the output that the AI gave you. I don't care if it's Gemini, if it's chat, whatever, Claude, whatever it may be. You're going to put it into a text file. You're going to choose it. Very simple. You're going to scroll down here. You're going to overwrite any existing pages in case. We're also going to make sure we got our page numbers, okay, just like that. And click generate all 60 pages, just like that. And it's going to take a couple minutes. Not only is it going to create the 60 pages, right? But the 60 pages for the rock and roll puzzles, but it's also going to create the solutions page. But we're not done. I want you to stay until the end, okay? And I'm going to find out if you stayed until the end in a little bit here. I have a question for you. I'm a fan of oldies, rock and roll. Anyways, I'm going to ask you that question later. You'll watch. But for now, I want to create this book. So here we go. We got our book. Nice and easy, right? Now, it said 60 pages here, but it's more like 120 because once I download this, but before I download this, I got to make sure that I had a copyright. So I'm going to click copyright up here. You see copyright up there? Click copyright up there. Click the plus button and put in my book title, right? Rock and roll, crazy moments in history, Crossword book. Okay, I'll go with that. Okay. Okay, we got our copyright, we got everything we need. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna click export all, I'm gonna click single PDF. Now we have our interior. I'll show you our interior in a little bit once it's done downloading. I think you're gonna like it. We got that. We got our copyright to protect our book. And we have the puzzle, okay? And we scroll to the bottom, we have our answers, right? Just like that, very simple. And that brings us to a total of 120, right? 120 pages. 121. Not only the answers, but of course the problems. Now the next very important part, don't worry, I got you covered. I have a link below. You got to create your book cover, okay? Think of your book cover as your foot in the door, okay? And what I want you to do, check this out. I want you to go to Amazon and see what the winning titles are, right? You want to emulate, and there's an easy tutorial down below where I'm going to show you how to create this, how to create book covers that actually get clicks, okay? You want to emulate what's already working, and these book covers kind of suck. I don't want to throw shade on anybody, but honestly, they're very simplistic. Hey, and if simple works, be simple. You don't have to overcomplicate it, right? Be simple, right? But look, it's just an image of a guitar. It's just an image of a guitar and the actual title with a very bland background. You could do this. I know I could do this. Let's do it, okay? Now, before I go, I want to know if you made it to the end of the video. So I want to know, what is your favorite rock band of it can be anywhere between the 60s and 70s. I'm going to go first. Well, it's changed a lot, but I'd have to say Led Zeppelin. Anyways, let me know what's your favorite rock band, if you like it. And let me know if you don't like rock and roll. Let me know down below. I don't like rock and roll, whatever the case. Tell me what you like. I like all kinds of music, but growing up, it's a lot of rock and roll. Led Zeppelin, that's me. Let me know. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I want to know if you like this video so I can make more videos like this, okay? And a lot of you are already Monica members. Go ahead, take this niche, earn those royalties, and please show me. I always want to see when people earn online. And with these tools, it's quite easy, okay? Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.